Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Today, we bring you an inspiring tale that highlights the journey of faith and devotion in Islam. This story reminds us of the powerful bond between humanity and their Creator, and the miraculous events that can unfold when one strives to follow the path of righteousness. Our story begins with a humble man named Ahmed, who lived in a small village. Despite facing many hardships, Ahmed never lost faith in Allah. He believed that every test and trial was a stepping stone towards spiritual growth and closeness to his Lord. One day, news reached Ahmed that a renowned scholar was visiting their village. Eager to seek knowledge and guidance, Ahmed embarked on a journey to meet the scholar. Along the way, he encountered various challenges, but his determination never wavered. Arriving in the city where the scholar resided, Ahmed found himself lost in the bustling streets. As the day turned into night, he wandered aimlessly, praying for guidance. Suddenly, a kind stranger noticed his distress and offered his assistance. Guided by the stranger, Ahmed finally reached the scholar's presence. Overwhelmed with gratitude, he poured out his heart, seeking answers to his deepest spiritual questions. The scholar, moved by Ahmed's sincerity, shared words of wisdom and guidance, inspiring him to deepen his faith. With newfound knowledge and determination, Ahmed returned to his village. He shared the teachings he had learned, spreading light and hope amongst his fellow villagers. Witnessing his transformation, many others began to embrace their faith wholeheartedly, inspired by Ahmed's unwavering devotion. A mosque was built in the village, becoming a symbol of unity and piety. People from all walks of life became drawn to this place of worship, finding solace and peace within its walls. This inspiring tale teaches us the importance of seeking knowledge and guidance, no matter the obstacles we may face. It reminds us that our faith can be a beacon of hope not only for ourselves but for others as well. By following the path of devotion and righteousness, we can overcome any challenge and inspire those around us. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found this Islamic story inspiring. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more uplifting content. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.